We are headed to Costco for our December Costco haul. I have Levi and Renee with me as my helpers today. It is cold, but it is at least sunshiny outside, so it's a good day to get out and do some shopping. So we're going to bring you along with us.
Yeah, that was a goat.
Did you hear a goat?
Yeah, I heard all of them.
They love to talk, don't they? Just like you do.
Yeah, and also, Mom, I heard some hawks, vultures, or those other stuff.
Hawks, vultures, or other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I heard those stuff.
Yeah, they can be so loud sometimes, huh? What are we gonna buy at Costco today?
Some food.
What's your favorite food to buy at Costco?
Bananas.
Ooh, good choice. What about you, Renee? Favorite food to buy at Costco? Yeah, a fixing station. Are they working on the cars? They have the same wheels that we have? That's awesome. Favorite food at Costco?
I can't choose.
You can't choose, just say one. One that you like.
Honey.
What? Honey?
Honey.
Good choice. Good choice. Do you remember when you used to play the peanut butter bongo drums? You would sit up in the seat of the cart, and I would get the peanut butter, and it was like a 2-pack, so it was 2 jars of peanut butter, and you would play it like they were drums. Do you remember that?
Wow, it's so happy. These are my jumps.
Yeah. I bet some people that are watching this video remember videos that I've done where you did that when you were a baby.
I want to see that.
Yeah, I'll have to show it to you. That would be funny.
Peanut butter on my nose.
And then she did the funny peanut butter on my nose.
I'm done.
You're done? Was it so tasty?
Yes.
I think you have something on your nose. What do you have on your nose?
Peanut butter in my nose.
Yes. Peanut butter in your nose. Yep, Renee's got all kinds of cute things about peanut butter. Yeah, I love these Pyrex bowls. I have like 3 sets. Oh, you love them too? All right, well. Oh, a tiny yellow one.
Can I get them?
And no, we don't need any more, but I just wanted to show everyone that they're $17.99 seems like a really good price for these. And they often go on sale too.
If I see a sample, check the eggs. Check if it has the eggs.
If we see a sample, we check the eggs, and if it has no eggs, then what?
But I can eat it.
Then you can eat it.
But if it has eggs, I can't have it.
Exactly. You know the drill. Oh, I've wanted one of these. These are cool, but they're so expensive. But they keep your coffee warm. Those are enormous.
Look at these enormous.
They're so big. We have those. Those are great water bottles.
And I have the orange.
Levi has the orange one. This pan looks like it might work great for crepes. The Rock. I don't really know anything about these. I've seen them here before at the Rock. They're non-stick reinvented, but I don't know how healthy it is. But anyways, that's a good price for something that you can make some good crepes in. Oh, these are the snap containers or pop containers that I use. They're actually a little bit different of a design now, but they're very similar to the ones that I use for like my egg white powder and all my pantry storage. But those are good. That's not the same as ours. That's the cheaper version. We got the fancy one. Ninja, NutriBullet, Blendtec, SodaStream, all kinds of stuff. They have these baking mats. These are great. I have a set of this brand. I think I have 2 big ones and 1 small one, or maybe 3 different sizes. But these are excellent. I use them all the time. No, that's not the same air fryer. It's similar. Oh, that's a microwave. It's a what now? Oh my goodness. How do you even know that word? It's so cute. Look at the tiny ones. Aren't they cute?
Wait, what is that?
A taco or guacamole. It's guacamole. Those are so cute.
Peanut butter. It's peanut butter.
I know. Oh, the peanut butter and a little chocolate bar.
No, there's a cookie.
A chocolate chip cookie and milk and bread with jam. It's egg white bread with jam, right?
Yeah, you could just like dip the cookie in the
They're
milk.
so cute. They're so cute. We'll see your toys in just a second.
There's
Oh,
different ones. They're animals.
this is animals.
What
They're
is
all
that?
so cute. I don't know. Some kind of funny animal.
Yeah.
All right, Levi, do you want to go see these Legos up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at these, Levi.
Yeah, I want to get those.
I know you want to.
Wait, no. Wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
4, you're right.
I want this guy and this guy.
Yeah. I got to get lemons for the lemon truffles. I forgot to get them the other day when I was shopping for truffle stuff. So we'll just get a giant bag of lemons. And I guess we'll have to make lemonade.
Lemonade.
When life gives you lemons, make what?
Lemonade.
Lemonade and lemon truffles.
And black green lemonade.
Well, what are the green lemons called?
I don't know.
They're called limes.
Lime.
Limes.
Like lime juice.
Lime juice. All right, I'm going to get some avocados. They do, but they're kind of expensive. Okay, let's set these down.
Next time there's tiny peppers available, I want to get them. Because they're
Okay.
like bite size. Wait, we have them.
We need a few more.
Mom, all the food goes outside.
Oh, really? Ugh.
Not tomatoes.
Onions. We don't need onions. Oh, but we need bananas. Turn around. Turn around. Nope, we're not getting any bagels. Let's get some bananas for you, though, because remember that was your favorite thing to get at Costco, right?
Yeah. All the food
Let's get 3. Okay, that's good.
Come on, I have one. I said all the food goes at me.
All the food goes at you.
All the
All right, you have to be really gentle with them, though, because I don't want them to get bruised. Okay?
Okay.
One more?
Yep. And all of my favorite foods are gonna be at me.
All the favorite foods are going to be at you.
Yeah,
Okay. Aren't those cute?
cupcakes. We have no chicken right now.
Those are so cute.
And more chicken. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at all those chickens.
I love chicken.
You love chickens? That looks good. Roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon and cranberries. Yum. All the foods are all the side dishes. Creamed spinach, mashed potatoes, scalloped potatoes. Oh, I think we have enough hot dogs at home, actually. Half of a roast duck.
Under the food.
Uh-oh. We'll see if they have any of them. I'm not sure if they do. We'll have to check. Okay?
And I want more of those.
Yeah. You only get one of those samples. We'll see if there's any other different ones, okay?
Okay.
You see what? A forklift? Excuse me, Renee.
You have to stand up while you're driving.
Isn't that crazy?
Why is that crazy?
It's just, usually you sit down when you drive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta get sausage.
Can you get orange?
No, I'm not getting any orange juice.
There are no animals. There's a turtle.
Don't they just make it so cute?
Yeah.
You want to get what?
That's a big pond.
No. Get a couple of these sausages too. Stock up on sausage.
Kombucha. Kombucha.
No, I'm not getting kombucha today.
For Dad.
Not today. I know, it's so sad.
And that. Kombucha.
No, we don't need that kombucha either.
And that one.
That's not kombucha.
And that. And that one.
All right, and we need avocado oil. Let's see, they have the big ones up here. $21.99. Just gonna do one this time. Salsa, let's see, $8.99. Yeah, if we can find some popcorn kernels, we'll get them, but they haven't had them the last couple times I was here. All right, salsa. I just have to look at this. Spreadable pistachio cream. Is that like nut butter made out of pistachios? Ingredients: pistachio, sugar, milk powder, olive oil, vegetable fats. Looks delicious. Gotta stock up on some chomp sticks. You like those, right? Don't you like those? Yeah.
More.
Yeah, different kinds of meats.
I want those ones.
They're all good. All right, I think we did it. You guys ready to check out?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I'm so glad we came on a day that wasn't too busy. Last time we were here, it was so busy we couldn't even stand it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, last
This time it's not too bad.
Yeah.
There's a garbage. There's one right here. There you go. Thank you, Levi.
$6.99.
Scanning.
$16.99. $21.99.
I'll get the butter.
Thank you, Levi.
$16.99.
I got more butter.
$13.99.
Oh man, $13.99 for butter.
$13.99. $1.99.
Are you all prepared with the receipt? Okay. You got a job to do. Don't let me down. What did they draw for you, Levi?
They got a smiley face.
A happy face. That's so nice of them. They always give such nice things, huh?
And they made a Grinch.
The Grinch?
Yeah.
Does that look like the Grinch?
Yeah.
After he got happy, right? Because he didn't look like that before. His heart grew 3 sizes bigger or whatever it was. Right? All right, we will do a cart grocery haul real quick. I'll start with the non-food items over here. Just toilet paper and baking soda. I use that for cleaning and for baths, and so I count it as a non-food item. Now for the food, we got some cinnamon, some apples, pack of bacon, got some chomp sticks for easy snacks. I got one of the fancy butter, the expensive yummy butter, and then I got 2 big things of the not as expensive butter, but still expensive, because I've been doing so much shredded butter, frozen shredded butter for my egg white bread recipes. I just used the last one this morning, so I needed to get more of that. All right, we got a big bag of potatoes for the kids to make their air fryer French fries, 3 bunches of bananas. Renee and Levi love seaweed snacks, so I got a big pack of those. 2 big bags of breakfast sausages. Everybody loves those for breakfast. Big thing of lemons, because we are going to be making our lemon truffles here pretty soon. Avocados. I stocked up on organic salsa. My husband loves that. Another variety of sausage. We love these Amy Lou chicken breakfast links. Renee loves hummus, but she's the only one in the house that loves it. So we get these little small packs so she can just get one individual one out when she needs one, because she never goes through a whole big tub in time. And then we got a big thing of avocado oil and party wings. So here's a quick view of all the prices if anyone is curious about that. And you can see the total that I spent was $270.49, which is pretty good for a monthly Costco haul. Thanks so much for going shopping with us. You say thanks for shopping with us?
Thanks for shopping with us.
We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.
Bye.